Keep the thoughts on, and I stay strong long enough to make it out this hole. Finally feels wrong. All I wanna do is play guitar and make the world home. But it's just so far away, I can say I've outgrown a life I once wanted, but it's so intense now. Went so way too deep in it to say that I repent now. Plus the only constant is change, it all makes sense now. If I want defense, I would have to tear this fence down, tear it down. Tear it down, tear it down. Sorta like my past, I want this day to last. Cause one day I'll look back and see that it went way too fast. It could be a million days before I get this chance back. Might as well live it while I'm in it, push these plans back. In a few years it'll be hard to find me. Did I know you don't recall? Could you please remind me? I don't think that we recorded before this label signed me. Come to think of it, you were the one trying to wind me down. Tear me down, tear it down, tear it down. So get me out of this place. The music, I kiss the face, feel the bass. I run around like it's a race. Kinda hard not to taste the words rolling off my tongue. Making all the notes I sung ring in the ears of everyone. I just begun, I'm not done getting out the monster side of me. I drink it every day, but still these Red Bulls take lie to me. These rock stars turning up the antics, they're quite the shit. They don't see I'm singing it, playing it and writing it down. Tear me down, tear me down, tear me down, down, tear me down, tear me down, tear me down.